Here it go. We got the Øway cypher. If you've seen this on YouTube, you can pull it to the Twitch. 3K Marvel on Twitch. All platforms. What's the word, nigga? We on Fortnite after this. But here you go. Øway cypher. You know, man, if you watch this video, you see Øway. You gotta know who's in it. But they probably finna tell us anyway.
Øway. You watching the Øway cypher on Underground Cypher. Underground sound. Øway sound, bitch. Øway. Hey, shit better than Underground, bitch.
Shit was trash. Kill your producer.
Oh, what the fuck?
So good, I walk it around the line up on my bitch, nigga. I put it in a mile. Big ass snake tag, I know she about that business. I put it on the line, nigga, in AK, bring back that fitted. Your block no swagger. Cause I ain't call trip. I got right back, and nigga ain't get the shit. We may better play with these tunes. We find that drink in front of get the milligram. Breaking out, watch my shit.
I don't know where he's saying, but this beat making it sound crazy. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, get the fuck out of grade. We ain't so honey that beat the right shit, busty hoe, try to fuck out the stage. I said I was blessed with a free, but I probably don't remember that number don't come with a cake. I just pulled to that store with a drink. I see all get hit in the face. My bitch off on my jeans. I think she moms with Rick, that bitch got taste. Stuck for the rest of the go yard case. Big little bitch, I put out the lake. Y'all see Miami, go rap from the tank. We run on her shoulder, all in the fame. I'm rocking your home, she love to get burned. You wanna be dog, go catch you a stain. You wanna be dog, go hop in that flame. I feel like a twin on head to mine. Away. I jump by that fucking cage, told him somebody deep. Oh the Lord, of that raising that hottie bitch. I'm gonna fuck about what you play, catch up by that bitch. I have a blood, kill out blood, I grip, kill out grip. I have a grip, kill out blood, I be set tripping. I have a blood, kill out blood in his set, nigga. I have a blood, kill out blood in his own set. I got guys that like girls that get hoes wet. I got guys sniffing girls. Let your nose on the barrel.
Bro, this beat is fucking insane, my nigga. This is hella vibe, bro. No, but this beat though, like, oh my gosh, this beat is literally nasty.
Ain't number bad bitch in the room on them Teslas. I put a piece up on her tongue, that's a tester. I tell her do it, she gon' do it, bitch, Alexa. I tell her bust it, she gon' bust it like a vector. I'm on 285, going faster. I'm on 285, going faster. I know niggas ready to die for that crossbow. Throw a 5-7 bullet through the peephole.
Whoa.
Yeah. 30 pointers in my teeth, I got expensive smile. Racks as tall as me, this money longer than the now. My dog said fuck the judge, he tryna take that shit to trial. She'll be the richest bitch ever, this hoe keep my child. Diamonds out the sink, my neck filled up with Cuban links. Pushed her on the whip, so geek that I forgot the keys. They wouldn't look my way, now all these bitches on their knees. The Maybach mayonnaise is Rolex with the red face.
Give her anxiety, bitch. I for this hoe and she Japanese. Might be a model, bitch. Pussy's more pretty like Listerine. Know the brown boy can make hot as shit. Me and my girl, we got clips and beams. Since I was young, I had a lot of chips. Mama come.
Bro, I don't want to say it, but like, I'm not gonna lie. Him being Indian for some reason like ruined his whole run. Like, this nigga not even bad, but niggas don't even listen to him because he Indian, bro. That shit is insane to me. Oh my god. Niggas talking about clips and beams. Nigga, we know you don't tote. But it's alright though. I be cap rapping. Twitch ban who? Nigga, what? I'm just speaking the real. I'm speaking news.
I'm me a little money fiend. I knew I would do it. I knew I would get to the top. I've been touching the stars. Gonna be the influencer. Take a look in the garage. You see in the cars the way that I'm moving. Me and my dollars, you know that we going to war. They joining the movement.
Nah, Fizzo. We're not going for that.
Joining the movement.
What is this? Okay, you say Øway. Yeah. What the fuck? What the man? Nah. We getting a little too fleeky in this underground stuff, bro. We gotta stop that. If you that way, you gotta say you that way. You can't just be like doing stuff like that and be like, nah, I like bad bitches and shit. You can't do that, bro. It don't work like that.
I'm seeing all red when I see that boy, we gon' walk him. I feel like I'm grandpa, bitch, put a 10 on the roster. The way I been popping my shit, she gon' suck it like pasta. Collar in my jacket today, I woke up and popped out my collar. I'm popping it, bitch. I'm in the trap right now with a toe bag, yeah, it's holding the bleed. Niggas on dick, hating my game, look how far we get. Bitch trip, money and cent. Have bitch throwing on fists. Finna go plain Jane. Niggas ain't worried about shit. Fucking my two-tone present. With a white and black bitch.
Ad-lib not coming through because this shit pre-recorded. What you doing?
Yeah, I'm too futuristic. Bitch, I'm on cross your shit. Lil' baby, I'm going ballistic. The fabrics on me is Celine. I wind and dine with Spanish. Fire shot it, she work for Celine. I just been going from state to state. They tryna get next to me. And all these hoes gon' fuck the game. They tryna get a check for free. Hey, running these laps around these hoes. Running laps around these bitches. On state to state, I'm catching all these flights. I'm taking risks. This the fucking cross stone. We gon' leave you with some stitches. Buy that paper shot it. And I'm stacking all these ditches. Hermes bag cost some wallet. And that bitch might cost a chain. We might bush it in your brain. Millipeasy going the same. Bring that motherfucking flame. If you try to diss that old, just gon' pop out to that show. I'ma go where your eye know. Get up.
Round 2? Ball. Care. They ain't gonna make it seem like they rapping on nothing. They just letting it be known that this joint pre-recorded. Man, talking about man, what?
I'm a waistline, I'm wearing a form with some forms in it, nigga. Yeah, my life lit right now. Yeah, my life lit now. Came up with the gate and they like how. Niggas like something, they yelling it now. I bet all my old hoes proud of me now. Bitch, I'm a P, I'm in Prada right now. Nigga play with the fun, he got ran out of town. If you play with the fun, nigga cut out of bounds. If you play with the fun, nigga come to your house.
Play with the funk, this shit get ugly. My bitch so bad I get nervous when she takes shit from the back. She keep asking, do you love me? I love that man.
See Baby Tron? You the baby Tron in the group? Okay.
She love them dollars. I'm talking to the hoe like crypto.
I don't know what
she look like a model, got 1,000 followers. Me and my whole gang ballin'. Should've went to the NBA. She tellin' her friends we changed, cause we met us on an NDA. We having money and fame, having too much game for a lane. My dog just hit a stand. He had to put in that pain. I'm telling you, putting that work. These fuck niggas know we the way. Now everybody want serve.
Obviously, because he was high on.
Main move. Who the fuck is, like, bro, watch out, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it wasn't that, it was kind of good, but it was just like, it wasn't no verses to like write off about where it was like, oh nah, this nigga really spazzed. It was really just like, all them niggas did good, like, as a collective.
Øway.
But low-key not bad. That's not a bad thing. Like, they all did good, like, collectively on they song, or on the songs. Nigga, part 2. Oh, nah. These are just separate videos. But nah, they did good. Like, they did good separately. Or not separately. They did good as a group. But separately, it wasn't nothing, like, insane. You feel me? But, hey, nigga, if you watching this shit to the end, pull up to the damn Twitch, nigga. You fucking heard it here first.